electric toothbrush are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best electric toothbrush from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. The best electric toothbrushes for any budget will help you give your teeth the clean they require. The best electric toothbrushes should be a part of everyone's daily dental practice because they have been shown in studies to perform better than traditional manual brushes. Everyone wants their teeth to be perfectly clean and whiter, after all, and nobody likes getting fillings or having a root canal. Finding the ideal toothbrush, though, can be difficult. Not only do all toothbrushes appear to be nearly identical, but the makers also appear to have determined that uncertainty is beneficial to sales by simultaneously offering a number of different varieties with various features. Since there are so many products that are identical, it might be difficult to tell them apart. We have done our research to assist you in choosing the best toothbrush so you can relax. Even though they differ significantly in terms of brushing technology, battery life, attachments, extra features, and pricing, all the models we've evaluated here will leave your teeth sparkling clean. Would you be interested in a toothbrush that provided thorough, real-time feedback to your smartphone? Would you want a variety of brush heads? Do you require a travel charging case? Or are you just looking for something straightforward that works? To assist you figure that out, we are here. Read upcoming. Number 2. The top water flossers and teeth whitening products at a glance. The best electric toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare Daily Clean 310 is the finest affordable electric toothbrush. Oral-B Pro 3000 is the greatest toothbrush for the money. Oral-B IO Series 6 is the best mid-range electric toothbrush. The Philips Sonicare Expert Clean 730 is the greatest electric toothbrush. Oral-B EO9 is the best premium electric toothbrush. Philips Sonicare for Kids is the best electric toothbrush for kids. The Pro 3000, a new iteration of Oral-Most B's reasonably priced mid-range brush, is a success. The old model's rubber grip has been replaced by a sleek new design, which is still comfortable to handle and easier to rinse clean. The timer on the Oral-B works just as well as it always has, and the rear pressure sensor is now a 360-degree ring, making it a little easier to see while you brush. If you don't require Bluetooth or other advanced capabilities, this brush elegantly handles all the essentials. It also offers a great clean, with 3 settings that go from a gentler brush that's gentle on the gums to a more vigorous polish that should help remove stains. Battery.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.